Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I am Dariya Yadav. So today we are going to talk about some lovely, amazing bestseller books which I am currently reading. So let's get started. So the first book is this, Sophie Kinsella. Sorry guys, the image is being mirrored. Sophie Kinsella, and this is the #1 bestseller, Shopaholic and the Baby. So let me give you the overview, the summary which is written at the back of the book so that it will help you to buy the book. So Becky's Brandon is back with a bump. Becky's life is blooming. She is working at London's newest fashion store, The Look, house hunting with husband Luke. Her secret wish is a showroom. And she's pregnant. She couldn't be more overjoyed, especially since discovering that shopping cures morning sickness. Everything has got to be perfect for her baby, from the designer nursery to the latest coolest pram. The celebrity must have obstetrician. But when the celebrity's obstetrician turns out to be her husband Luke's glamorous, intellectual ex-girlfriend, Becky's perfect world starts to crumble. She's shopping for two, but there are three in her marriage. Happily, it's just like catching up with an old friend. Own favorite shopaholic is as entertaining as ever. This is the phrase which I have read. It was the comment given on this book by Heat. I don't know what the Heat is. Maybe it's some department or something. A delicious addition to the Shopaholic series. Marie Claire, hilarious again. Okay, a page turner, every bit as charming, as absorbing as her previous Shopaholic installments. Daily Telegram. So you can see them. Actually, I'll show the book in the next video. So now I'm only giving the overview of it. So this was the first book. This is amazing. It is all about the girl, which is Becky, and her life because she's gonna get a baby. So this is a cute book. You can prefer reading it. Then this is Sophie Kinsella, 20s Girl. This is the book I'm currently reading. Just now only I was reading this book only. This is an amazing girl. And there's in the front of this book, there's a, comment given by the Heat that wonderfully witty, as fabulously funny as Sophie's other gems. So let me tell you the summary of this book also. If you suddenly had a friend that only you could see or hear, what would you do? So this is a question asked, and based on this question only this book is written, and this is totally amazing book. You can prefer reading it in your free time because it's amazing. I just love it. You could worry that your stressful life has tripped over your head and you have lost the plot. Big time. You could hide under your duvet hoping that they would go away, or you could have some fun. You could make your ex-boyfriend take your back. You could solve the mystery of the dragonfly necklace, make a fool of yourself many times, get your business back on its feet. You could dance with a gorgeous man who just can't resist you, and you could just discover the best friend you ever had. And now let me tell you the drawbacks of this book. So a fun, effervescent romantic story that mingles present-day tensions with an intriguing voice from the past. This is from the Daily Mail. Then the next is, this is Kinsella at her quickest and best, a light-hearted and sweetly comic novel by Daily Telegraph. A laugh out loud romp with a brilliant ending, and this is by Cosmopolitan. एक्चुअली गाइस, ये जो समरी होती है ना बुक्स की, इसमें आपको ये पूरा बताया नहीं होता कि भाई इसमें ये है, दिस वुड बी द प्लॉट एंड दैट थिंग वुड हैपन. इसमें सिर्फ आपको ना एक टीजर दिया हुआ होता है, एंड द टीजर इज रियली इंटरेस्टिंग विच विल मेक यू रीड दैट बुक. It's not about what is gonna happen in this book. No, it's just that it gives an overview that ये इस टाइप की बुक है. It's not about the characters or anything. It's just ये इस टाइप की बुक है, and this is an amazing book. Trust me, this is the best book I have read now in today's time. And so the next book is this. This is also a lovely book. The #1 ladies detective agency. Alexander McCall Smith, Blue Shoes and Happiness. you can see, and this is the summary. Now that she is finally and happily married to Mr. J.L.B. Metaconani, MMA Ramaswamy of the famous number one ladies detective agency, might have expected life to grow more sedate, but the many problems that lead customers to her door seem, if anything, have multiplied. Actually, guys, please don't go on my pronunciation, because the words, the names, they are really hard to pronounce. There is a disturbing case of blackmail and theft at the Government Catering College, and a rumor of witchcraft on the Mokolodi Game Reserve. And all the while, Precious has questions of a philosophical nature to consider, such as whether it is right to find happiness in small things like a pair of new blue shoes, a slice of cake, or red sunset over the Kalahari. So now there's a same drawback given by the Daily Mail. Then the next book is this. This is also an amazing book, really nice. So the name of this book is The Hound of Death, and this is written by Agatha Christie. The Hound of Death, written by Agatha Christie. So let me give you the overview. The Hound of Death. As any reader of Agatha Christie knows, murder can occur in the most unexpected places. But there are times when the spectre of death is very close. You just have to look for the signs, omens, and haunted houses, seances, and nightmares, split personalities, and disembodied voices. Welcome to a stunning collection of macabre stories, from the earthly drama of a courtroom in witness for the prosecution to the unearthly chills of the widow who can hear her husband in wires. All the evidence of natural or supernatural storytelling. Yeah. This summary seems very exciting, and I'm feeling really excited to read this book. And as soon as my which is this book? Sophie Kinsella series gets finished, I'll start reading this book. As I have not read it yet, but I'll soon start it. 12 chilling mysteries. This is a comment given by Observer. And Agatha Christie has written many books. You can see there the names written. Let me read it for you. The Man in the Brown Suit, The Secret of Chimneys, The Seven Dials Mystery, The Mysterious Mr. Quinn, The Sitterford Mystery, The Hound of Death, The Littledale Mystery, Why Didn't They Ask Evans, Parker Pine Investigates, Murder is Easy, and Then There Were None. Towards Zero, Death Comes as the End, Sparkling Kyanite, They Came to Baghdad, Destination Unknown, Spider's Web, The Unexpected Guest, Ordeal by Innocence, The Pale Horse, Endless Night, Passenger to Frankfurt, Problem at Polensa Bay, While the Light Lasts is the last one. So total there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Currently there are 24 books which are mentioned in the back page of this book. So you can prefer reading them. So the next series, which is worldwide famous, I think. Every child, every youth is reading this book, which is Harry Potter of the J.K. Rowling. And I am having this Harry Potter and the Half-Blood Prince. These are all the series which are mentioned here. Total there are 7 books, 7 magical stories, and epic adventure, which you can read because it's an amazing series. If you read the first one, you'll get interest and you'll get attached to the other ones. And you can also see the movies also. In some of these books, movies has been made, and I prefer that you first read the book and then go to the movies, because when you watch the movie now, you lose interest in reading the books. So first you should read the book and then watch the movie. So there it was, hanging in the sky above the school. This is the summary which I am reading. The blazing green skull with the serpent tongue, the marked Death Easters left behind whenever they had entered a building, whenever they had murdered. Then, when Dumbledore arrives at Privet Drive one summer night to collect Harry Potter, his van hand is blackened and shivered, but the door does not reveal why secrets and suspicion are spreading through the wizarding world, and Hogwarts itself is not safe. Harry is convinced that Malfoy bears the Dark Mark. There is a Death Eater amongst them. Harry will need powerful magic and true friends as Lie explores Voldemort's darkest secrets and Dumbledore prepares him to face his destiny. So, amazing story. You can read it and then you can watch the movie. And actually, guys, it's very important to read the Harry Potter book. Then only you should watch the movie, because in the movies it's not so good. The content is not such great as it is explained in the books. So first read the books, and if you'll not watch the movie also, then it's okay. It's totally okay. But it's very necessary to read the book if you are interested in the book, interested in the story. So then the next book is this amazing cover. So This Isn't What It Looks Like is the name of the book. This Isn't What It Looks Like. Pseudonymous Bosich, New York Times best-selling author. Pseudonymous Bosich. You can see the name of the author here. So let me read you the summary overview. Warning: appearance can be deceptive. This book is not filled with ancient magic, mystical clairvoyance, and the marvel of time travel. This is not a book detailing the latest top secret investigations of Dursley's society. You will not find stolen treasure, masked bandits, and bloodthirsty knights between the pages of this book. This book is not so utterly gripping down that you will be able to put it down. But before you go, just remember one thing: this isn't what it looked like. So maybe this is a riddle type of story which you need to read. You will feel the fun, but you need to understand that you need to keep your eyes, nose, ears, and everything open. So mind also. So the fourth fantastic book in the Secret series. So this is the fourth book of the Secret series which I am reading, and this is amazing. Then the seventh book. It's the most knowledgeable book of all, and I think the most record-breaking bestseller book. So hope you have guessed it. It's all about the scientists, their theories, and it's not boring. It's really, really interesting. Trust me. And this is a brief history of time by the famous author, a famous scientist, our favorite, our time scientist, who is Stephen Hawking. So it's from the Big Bang to black holes. This book marries a child's wonder to genius intellect. We journey into Hawking's universe while marveling at his mind. This is a remark given by the Sunday Times, and you can read it. This book marries a child's wonder to genius intellect. We journey into Hawking's universe while marveling at his mind. So now Stephen Hawking, he is one of the most brilliant scientific minds since Einstein, which this comment is given by Daily Express. And was there a beginning of your new time? Could time run backwards? These are the questions which we normally ask ourselves. Is the universe infinite, or does it have boundaries? They are just some of the questions considered as an internationally acclaimed masterpiece, which begins by reviewing the great theories of the cosmos from Newton to Einstein, before delving into the secrets which still lie at the heart of space and time. So yes, this is a very interesting book. This is not a full-on theoretical science, but it's about exploring. It's about our universe. It's about the things happening around us, and it's really interesting. If you'll read it now, you'll feel really great. And I think everyone know about this book, The Brief History of Time, because it's so famous. It's also, chapters are given in the literature books also, and they are really interesting. So let me tell you the comments which are given by different production houses. First is The Master of the Universe, One Scientist Courageous Voyage to the Frontiers of the Cosmos, Newsweek. He can explain the complexities of the cosmological physics with an engaging combination of clarity and wit. His is a brain of extraordinary power. Observe. To follow such a fine mind as it exposes such great problems is an exciting experience, and this is by Sunday Times. So you can order these books from wherever you want. Although I have issued these books from the library, I am not buying them. But if you want to buy them, you can buy from Flipkart, Amazon, or any of the website you want. And these are amazing books. You can read them. So I hope this video has been really helpful for you guys, and you will surely consider my opinion, my point of view about the books. And yeah, that's it. I hope you all are good, having fun in the summer holidays, and we'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.